So you found the perfect home and you're ready to make an offer. That's exciting. But before we dive in, let's take a step back and approach this strategically. This stage isn't about the emotions or rushing in. It's about making a smart, calculated decision based on the market and your goals. When it comes to making an offer and negotiating, trust your realtor. Just as you rely on a dentist, lawyer, or accountant for their expertise, your realtor is your expert in navigating the home buying process here in Colorado. They know what it takes to structure a competitive offer and secure the best possible outcome in Denver's dynamic market. Understanding market conditions. Your realtor understands that different market conditions require different strategies. For example, in a seller's market, which we often see in Denver's hottest neighborhoods like LoHi, Highlands, and Wash Park, demand is high and competition is fierce. Homes frequently sell above asking price, sometimes within days of being listed. In this scenario, you may find yourself in a bidding war, and sellers have the upper hand. Your realtor can guide you on ways to strengthen your offer, which might include removing contingencies. To make your offer more attractive, you might consider waiving certain contingencies such as financing or inspection. Your agent will explain the risks and potential rewards of this move, helping you balance competitiveness with security. Adjusting your offer price. In competitive neighborhoods, you may need to offer above the listing price. Denver homes in prime areas, especially close to new developments and transit hubs, often attract multiple offers. Offering your best from the start can prevent you from missing out. Flexible terms. If other offers involve cash or conventional loans, you may need to counterbalance an FHA or VA loan by being more flexible on closing dates or other terms. Conversely, in a buyer's market, like some parts of the greater Front Range area with newer developments, you'll have more negotiating power. With an oversupply of homes and fewer buyers, you may have room to negotiate on price, request repairs, or even ask the seller to cover part of your closing costs. Your agent will keep you informed with the current market climate so that your offer is competitive without overextending. Analyzing comparable sales. Your realtor will thoroughly analyze comparable sales to establish a fair market, realistic offer price. They'll review recent sales of similar homes in the area, considering factors like location and condition. Is the home in a desirable neighborhood with good schools, close to light rail, or near Denver's top amenities? Are there any recent upgrades or unique features that set it apart? Market trends. Your agent will look at trends in the area, such as appreciation rates and future development. For instance, neighborhoods near new transit lines or commercial growth hubs like Union Station may be seeing a bump in value. This data-driven approach gives you a competitive edge and ensures that your offer reflects both the home's true value and your budget. Understanding the seller's motivation. In a hot market, knowing the seller's motivation can make all the difference. Is the seller looking to close quickly, or do they need flexibility to stay in the home while finding their next one? Your agent will often communicate with the seller's agent to understand their priorities, such as a short closing period or a rent-back option, allowing you to tailor your offer accordingly. Commitment to legally binding agreement. Once your offer is signed by both parties, it's a legally binding agreement. Backing out can lead to financial and legal consequences. Your realtor will help you understand the terms and conditions in plain language, ensuring that you're fully aware of your commitments. Bottom line, to get the best results in making an offer and negotiating, choose a realtor you completely trust, especially one with in-depth knowledge of the Denver Metro and Front Range markets. By following their advice and keeping your emotions in check, you'll have the confidence and strategy needed to secure the right home.